In this video, you'll learn essential security settings to protect your MetaMask wallet from hackers and scammers. First, open MetaMask and click the gear icon on the bottom right to open settings, then go to security and privacy. This is where all the important security features are located. Now, scroll down and enable show incoming transactions to all your networks. This helps you track all transactions coming to your wallet. Set up auto lock timer. I recommend 5 minutes maximum. This automatically locks your wallet when inactive, preventing unauthorized access if you leave your computer. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Reveal seed phrase only to back it up offline. Write it down on a paper and store it securely. Under networks, only add trusted networks. Be extremely cautious with the apps. Only connect to verified, reputable websites. Never click suspicious links or download fake MetaMask extensions. Follow these security practices and your MetaMask wallet will be much more secure.